Welcome to day 7. Congratulations. You did it. You completed the full week. But more than that, you've learned a skill that will serve you for the rest of your life. I'm genuinely proud of you. Let's begin our final session together by settling into a deep, comfortable relaxation. Now, let's take a moment to review your journey. On day 2, you mastered progressive muscle relaxation. Day 3 introduced you to the power of suggestion. On day 4, you created your safe place. Day 5 showed you future pacing. And yesterday, day 6, you learned practical bookend practices. All these skills are now part of you. You are confident in your ability to guide yourself into relaxation. There's so much more to explore if you choose. Take a moment to feel proud of what you've accomplished. Now, begin to bring this experience to a close. You did it. You completed the 7-day fundamentals course. You are now a confident hypnosis practitioner. The journey doesn't end here, it begins. Use what you've learned, practice regularly, trust yourself, and know that I'm excited for everything you're about to create. Congratulations. Well done.